Hello everyone. So in this video, I will give you some English fluency tips to improve your English. Now, how can you become fluent in English? Okay, so if you want to become fluent in English, then you have to speak it on daily basis. English is not about being perfect. It's about being confident. If you are speaking, then you have to be confident while you are speaking at publicly. Then there is confidence show on your face. That confidence show on your voice. When you speak, it should be clear and audible. Where people will easily understand and people will easily understand, and they understand that what are you saying and what do you want to convey to them. Now, don't afraid making mistakes, because whenever people just start speaking English, they're afraid. Why? Because they think in our mind that if we speak English and if we speak in front of public, then people will make a laugh. So don't be afraid of, because if you are making mistake, that means you are learning. And try to read every day at least 1 to 2 pages in English, that make you help to used to of this language, and it will help you to find a new word which help you to speak English clearly. And one more thing which I already told you, that do not be afraid of making mistakes, because making mistakes help you to learn faster. Listen to English movies, podcast, English songs, and even whatever you can listen, but it must be in English. And don't try to translate your own language to English. Always speak in English, no matter you are making mistakes, you are making unnecessary things, but it's okay, because you are beginner. You have to keep one thing in mind, that I have to speak English fluently, and I have to make it comfortable for me. So you have to speak it on daily basis, no matter that what people are saying about you, what are they commenting on you. You have to speak it on daily basis. So it's all about confidence. If you have confidence, then you can easily speak English language clearly. Now, try to learn a few new words daily and use them in your sentence. Okay, so whatever you word read in your book, because I told you that you have to read the 2 pages on daily basis. So whatever you words you read in your pages, try to make sentence around them. Okay, so this will help you to learn words, and this will help you to make sentence that make you comfortable. And you can even talk with your classmates, even you can talk with your friends in friend circle, that small sentence, no need to make lengthy sentence. I already told you that don't try to make lengthy sentence, try to make small sentence, just small. That will help you, that will give confidence that I can also speak English. So try to speak clearly and try to make sentence as people speak clearly, and it will help you a lot. Okay, so this is the tips which I want to give you. And read as much as you can read, just read, because reading will improve your listening power, reading will improve your vocal cord, reading will improve your clarity, all the pages covered by the reading. So just read, and it will help you all the way, and it will one day you will become very confident while speaking English. Now, be patient with yourself, because fluency takes time. Don't be impatient, because people often compare yourself that I'm not being fluent when just I was trying since the last 3 months. So it will take time. It's a long process. It is not gonna be happen in 2-3 months. It's a long process. You have to speak on daily basis. As you speak, then fluency automatically come in your spoken. So it will help you to improve your English, and try to speak it on daily basis. No matter at the starting you are what are you doing, what are you speaking, just speak. That's make you science. Okay, so this that's all for today's video. If you like it, then it will give me confidence to make more videos like that, and it will help me to boost my confidence also, because I'm also learning that how to speak English. So I'm whatever thoughts I am giving you, whatever thoughts I am sharing with you, that's my own thought. I'm not copying with anyone, and just I want to tell you that one day, if I can do that, why can't you? I also speaking. So that's a thing that you have to that you have to understand, that I am also trying to speaking. I am also making videos on daily basis. I creating video for you that you can also improve English. So you have to speak it on daily basis. Okay, no matter that what people think about you. I know that my English not so good at the starting, but it will improve. So we have to give them space to say, we have to give them some time to improve our English. So just to keep one thing in mind, that I have to speak English, and we have to learn new thing on daily basis. So that's all for today. If you like it, it will give confidence me. Dhanyavad.